Did you know there are 5 simple seeds with almost as much protein as an egg? And they can actually help you rebuild muscle after 40? Feeling weak isn't just aging, it's a condition called sarcopenia. But here's the good news. You can fight it from your kitchen. Stay till the end. Seed number 1 is a hidden gem. Cheap, delicious, and incredibly powerful. Once you learn this, you'll never look at your meals the same way again. So hit subscribe, tap the bell, and get ready to discover the 5 seeds that can change your body and your energy. What is sarcopenia and why should you care? Have you ever walked up the stairs and felt like your legs just don't have the same strength anymore? Or tried to stand on one leg to put on your pants and lost your balance? That's not normal aging. That has a name, sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is a condition where your muscles slowly shrink and weaken over time. It's not simply getting older, it's a loss of muscle function that limits your mobility, independence, and overall quality of life. But here's the good news. Science shows that you are not doomed to lose muscle as you age. With the right nutrition and some physical activity, you can reverse part of that loss, feel stronger, and move better. That's why today I'll show you 5 seeds that are your natural allies for stronger muscles. Easy to find, affordable, and nutritionally powerful. Sunflower seeds. Let's start with sunflower seeds. The ones most of us sprinkle on salads or eat as snacks. But not all sunflower seeds are created equal. Avoid the salted or fried ones. They don't count here. What you want are raw or lightly toasted seeds. Toasting them enhances their flavor and makes them easier to digest. Just 5 to 7 minutes in a dry pan, and that's it. A serving of 2 to 3 tablespoons per day, about 28 grams, gives you around 6 to 7 grams of protein, plenty of healthy fats, and almost half of your daily vitamin E needs. And here's more. Sunflower seeds are also an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral essential for muscle function and preventing cramps. Fun fact, magnesium helps your muscles relax and recover, and it's especially helpful if you exercise or have trouble sleeping. So if you want to give your muscles a natural boost and support your joints, sunflower seeds are a tasty, affordable, and versatile option. Add them to salads, smoothies, or even soups. And remember, if tips like these help you, drop me a comment below. I love reading your thoughts and answering your questions. Number 4, pumpkin seeds. Next up, pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. These are a true nutritional treasure. They're rich in plant-based protein, about 10 grams in just 3 tablespoons. And they contain a special amino acid called leucine. Leucine is key for muscle protein synthesis. In simple terms, it helps your body build new muscle tissue. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also packed with magnesium, zinc, phosphorus, and calcium. And zinc, in particular, helps maintain healthy testosterone levels in older adults, which directly supports muscle strength and energy. Think about this. 2 to 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds provide up to 180 milligrams of magnesium, the same as many store-bought supplements, but in a natural and tasty form. Even better, recent studies show that pumpkin seeds help reduce inflammation, improve bone strength, and support your immune system. You can eat them plain, toasted, sprinkled on salads, or mixed into yogurt or fruit. They're crunchy, mild in flavor, and go with almost anything. Number 3, chia seeds. Now we're getting into the top 3, and things get interesting here. Let's talk about chia seeds. Tiny but incredibly powerful. Most people use them wrong. Chia has a decent amount of protein, but its real strength lies in fiber, omega-3 fats, and antioxidants. The problem? That tough outer shell. Your body can't digest it if you eat the seeds dry or whole. So you have to activate them. How? Soak them in water or plant-based milk for at least 45 minutes, or better yet, overnight. They'll form a thick gel that's easy on your stomach and improves nutrient absorption. If you don't like the texture, you can blend them into smoothies or grind them before eating. That breaks the shell and makes their nutrients more bioavailable. Remember, 2 to 3 tablespoons per day is enough. Just make sure to drink plenty of water since chia can absorb up to 10 times its weight in liquid. If you don't, you might end up constipated instead of helped. Number 2, flax seeds. Next are flax seeds, also known as linseed. Very similar to chia, but slightly different in composition. They're rich in plant protein, soluble fiber, healthy fats, and selenium, an antioxidant mineral that helps protect your muscle cells from aging. But just like chia, flax must be ground or soaked to unlock its nutrients. If you eat them whole, they'll pass right through your system undigested. You can grind them with a mortar, a coffee grinder, or even a blender. Then add them to your meals, yogurt, smoothies, oatmeal, or salads. Are you already using any of these seeds? Tell me in the comments which one you use the most and how you prepare it. We can all learn from each other. Number 1, amaranth. And finally, the star of the list, amaranth. This ancient pseudo-cereal is making a huge comeback, and for good reason. Amaranth contains complete proteins and all the essential amino acids your body needs, including lysine, which is rare in most grains and seeds. Lysine helps form collagen, repair tissues, and strengthen your muscles. In 100 grams of amaranth, you'll find 13 to 20 grams of protein, but the best part is its high absorption rate. Your body can absorb up to 90% of its protein, far more than from most other plant sources. It's gentle on your stomach, affordable, and easy to cook. Just boil it for 15 to 20 minutes, like rice or quinoa, and it's ready. You can use it in soups, salads, stews, or even desserts. Health experts recommend amaranth especially for older adults or vegetarians, thanks to its exceptional protein content and digestibility. Here's something to think about. Getting older doesn't mean you have to lose your strength or accept weakness as normal. Your body can recover. It just needs the right nutrients. These 5 seeds, sunflower, pumpkin, chia, flax, and amaranth, are a natural cocktail of proteins, minerals, and energy. They can help you stay strong, balanced, and independent for years to come. Bonus, quinoa. And for a little bonus, we can't leave out quinoa. It's another pseudo-cereal rich in protein and essential amino acids. It provides energy, aids digestion, and pairs beautifully with almost any dish. Just one thing. Quinoa naturally contains saponins, compounds that can make it taste bitter and harder to digest. Simple fix. Soak it for 15 to 20 minutes, rinse well, and then cook it in fresh water. That removes the saponins and lets your body absorb all its benefits. Remember, aging doesn't mean losing strength. Your body can stay active, firm, and full of energy when you nourish it properly. These 5 seeds are more than just food. They're smart nutrition for your muscles and bones. So start today. Pick one seed, give it a try, and feel the difference. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe. Leave me a comment telling me which one you'll try first, and share it with someone you care about. Because health, when shared, multiplies.